Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z5X and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume down button and hold both of them together. Just keep holding. Then you can release the button and wait till your phone is rebooted. So this is how you can force restart, and after a few seconds it should work properly. And that's it. As you can see, now you can unlock it and smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.